uh, IT Large Solutions. As we said, we are going to always give you all the problem solving on computers. So we are going to see if I have two window operating systems already in my PC. Let's say I installed Windows, but I did not delete the old Windows. As you can see, I have two Windows 10 on my computer. So the latest is Windows 1, and the Windows 3 is the old Windows. So uh, when you leave it like that, it will count up to 0 seconds, then it goes to a new Windows. But here you can choose to go back to the old Windows if at all that's where they want to go. Then if you leave it on standby, it will just follow the old window, new Windows, then leave out the old Windows, then you enter in the new Windows. So we are going to see if I have two window system or a window or on my PC, how do I retrieve the files from the old Windows to new Windows? When we are retrieving files from old Windows, you log in your new Windows. So when you log in your new Windows, then there you'll be able to see where your files are. It will be able to show you where your files are. How do I access them? This is the steps. So you go to my PC, you right click on your PC or you open your PC. Now, when you open your PC, you go to local disk C, because we know that Windows usually be installed on local disk what? Local disk C. Or someone may change the portion and puts the Windows on local disk E, but sometimes most of the computers Windows are stored on local disk C. So when we click on this local disk C, we open local disk C. So we shall find out that we have Windows. These are the Windows we have per now. Then the Windows we are in. Then all the Windows. These are all Windows which we were on the computer, which we want to find out to get Windows from. So you now click on your old Windows. So you will see these files there. Program files, you can even view your programs which you had. You can view everything you had there on your Windows. You can see we had all those programs there in the old Windows. Then you come to user. So when you go to user, there is where is the your name here, where you find that your computer had named it what John, what Peter, what. Okay, like mine had named it as John. So you choose, you click on John. So when you click on John, it will be able to open, showing you what was on desktop, what was on document, what was your downloads, what was your favorite music, pictures, and the like. So you choose if your things were saved on desktop, you click on desktop. Like mine here, it was a new Windows, nothing was there. So if at all a file was there in a desktop, it was going to display there. Okay? So when it displays there, we just copy and paste to a new Windows. You copy and paste to new Windows. So after copying and paste to new Windows, you use it normally. That's how we retrieve files from old Windows to new Windows without getting a loss of your data, of your information. Mind you, to do that, when you are installing new Windows, make sure you don't delete the old Windows before you confirm that all your files are in safe hands. Thank you for watching. I'll always help you out with these problems of IT. Thank you for listening. Subscribe, listen, and share. Always click that bell that whenever I post a video, it goes direct to your, it gives you a notification. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. We love you.